Let's add captions and cross-references. I have a picture here. I'm going to right-click on it and choose Insert Caption. And in this case, it's going to be a figure. Anything that's a graph, a photograph, or a drawing is going to be a figure. I want to, in accordance with the style guide, I want to position the caption below the selected item. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in a title here. That's it. Boom. It's done. Now if I click on the paragraph with the caption, this little indicator here is cut off, but you can see up here Word automatically applies the style called caption to it. Now once I have created a caption, I can create a cross-reference to that caption. So when I'm talking about something in the text, let me find a good place to put a cross-reference. Add a cross-reference to the figure here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of some of this text. I think I'm not in track changes mode 2. But I'll just get rid of this text, and then I'm going to do a reference. I'm going to insert a cross-reference. And the type of cross-reference I want to make is to a figure. And Word shows me that I have a single figure in this document. It's figure 1. I want to insert it as a hyperlink so that when the reader does a control click on the link, it takes them right to the graphic. But I only want to show the label and the number. Rarely will you show the title in a cross-reference. And that should do it. Lost the insert button there on the screen. Click Insert, Close. Now in my document, I have this cross-reference, which I have set up in Word. I've set up my version of Word so that I always show the fields embedded within Word. And I'll post an announcement so you know how to do that as well. I find it very handy so that you can see this gray highlighting here and instantly know it's a field. If I do a control click, it takes me right to the caption. Now let's add a caption for a table. Here's the table. This is actually a Gantt chart, so normally I would apply a caption below it, but let's treat it as a table here. I'm going to select the table, right-click, and insert a caption. Now in this case, it's the label I want is table. Word already knows that captions are typically placed above the selected item, but you may want to just double-check that. I'll give it a title and call it Project Schedule. Click OK. And I want to add a cross-reference to that table. I'll do it here. I'm going to go up and find References, Insert Cross-Reference. In this case, I'm looking for a table. And there's my caption. One point to make here, if you have not added captions using the captioning tool, there is nothing to which you can create a cross-reference. So you must first create the caption before you can create a cross-reference. So I want a table, cross-reference, just label the number, hyperlink. And there we have it. I'll just test my hyperlink. And it's not, yes, it's jumping back down to the caption, which is just below it. And that's how you create captions and cross-references.